Should I finish my basement or not? That's the question, and we're going to answer that for you today. So my name is Chris Cipriani with the Cipriani Team, and what we have for you here today is the difference between houses that sold with finished basements and without. This is a great way to determine, should I finish my basement or not? So of course, we're looking at Hamilton, freehold houses. This is including Flamborough, Dundas, Glanbrook, Ancaster, all of Hamilton, just to determine what the average sales price is of a finished basement home. As you can see, we're sitting around $702,000. But does it make sense for me to invest in that to sell? What does an unfinished basement sell for? Well, here you go. Unfinished basement, you're looking at a $63,000 difference, and it's only sitting at $638,000. Now, that might seem like a lot of money, but when you start getting quotes for a basement, how much is that going to cost you? If you're looking to finish your basement and then sell in 3 months, does it really make sense? I don't really think so. You might think so. I don't think so. If you're planning on finishing your basement, staying a few years, enjoying it, or maybe you need more space, you got a few extra kids now, you need something to store all the toys, might make sense to finish the basement and then sell, and of course, get that 702 down the road. Now, does that tell the whole story? Not really. You might think, wow, okay, $63,000 difference. I can, I have some equity, I have some money. We're going to finish our basement a little bit cheaper. We're going to get $60,000 more. Well, what if you live in a townhouse? Is it the same? Not necessarily. So, we looked at finished basements in townhouses and unfinished basements in townhouses. Keep in mind, we excluded new construction. They usually don't come with a finished basement. They usually wait about a year before they do finish the basement. So we excluded those for now, just to get the average sale price. You're at $581,000 in Hamilton. And then of course, if you're looking at an unfinished basement, well, it's about a $23,000 difference. And that's okay, I guess. I don't know if you'd want to jump to do your basement in a townhouse. Again, last year I was selling houses in Grimsby where they were $499.9. Whether they had a finished basement or not, they were going for $505 or $495. Now, of course, the market's changed and they've gone a lot higher now, but you have to look at, does it make sense? So that's where you really need to contact a realtor. But this video is a great way to start understanding, does it make sense for me to finish my basement or not? And again, of course, if you're staying in your house for another couple of years and you're going to actually enjoy the space, then maybe it makes a little bit more sense than just finishing your basement and selling tomorrow. So that's all for today. Head over to our website, reach out to us if you ever do have any questions, and thanks for watching.